Welcome to my new listing here in Loomis. Give you an idea where this is. There's Roseville, there's Granite Bay, and I'll zoom in here and get into it. You can see Sierra College. And here we are on Delmar. The nursery is across the street. It's a long lot. It's 2 acres and it leads back to a wooded area. Here we are inside. I've set up for an open house, have material out there. You can see this is a great room, a lot of natural light that comes in. Fireplace, slider leading out to the back, and there is your kitchen. You can see the beautiful concrete countertops. Very nice cabinets. This is your guest bathroom. Leads into the hall. Master bedrooms there. Guest rooms are down this direction. Here we are in the master, slider leading out to the side yard, light windows letting in light in the front, more of those European cabinets, big vaulted ceiling. This is a guest room. You can see tall ceilings, European cabinets. Doesn't have any closets. It has European cabinets throughout. This is the other guest room. This is the bonus room. You see the French doors leading out to the back patio. That door leads to the garage. This could be a 4th bedroom if you wanted. This is the carport area. You drive into your garage there. Patio off from the living quarters. This is the backyard. Again, this is 2 acres. It's fully cleared. It's ready for an ADU to be installed. He has an oversized septic that will accommodate the ADU. Back here at the creek is a sandy beach area that he's put in. Again, this is in Delmar. This is on Delmar, 3815 Delmar in Loomis. The creek is the back property line, and the homeowner really enjoys spending time there. My name's Alex. I'm with eXp Realty. If you're interested in this property, please hit me up.